You're probably thinking, what's in the box? What's in the box? Goblin Tech Keys. That is what's in the box, and let me show you. I know you guys may have seen the last video where I want to build my own keyboard. Well, it is happening. I'm only waiting on the switches to start this build, but I have many parts here, which I will go over in a later video in a part 2. But for now, I got these keycaps, custom made, very excited, from Goblin Tech Keys, and I just want to show them off. So we're going to do that now, and let's go. Step 1, we are removing the plastic. We're opening this together. I have not seen these yet, but I'm excited, very excited. So let's go ahead and get these open, or get this open. You wouldn't think it'd be that hard to remove plastic, but obviously it is. Ta-da! All right, we're going to get a better view on these. Before we do, it says here, warning, amazing product inside. Let's check it out. All right, guys, here we go. I have not looked at this yet. I did start the opening process, so this will be quicker. But here we go. We're going to look at this together for the first time. Before I open it, I am a fan of an anime, a specific anime. I actually am a fan of a lot of animes, but one in specific, you're about to see what that is now. Here it is. Let me look at this. Ooh, I got some stickers in here. A nice little thank you card. Thank you, Danny. Should put thank you Zayden on here. Danny's good too, though. And bam, if you can see this, I'm about to lift this up, I'm guessing. We get focus here. It is Chainsaw Man. Look at these Chainsaw Man keycaps with the custom Super Zayden on the space bar. This is freaking super dope. Look at this. Oh, how beautiful is this? This is so beautiful. It says build your dream personalized custom keycap set, which is exactly what we did. They have so many options, so many choices. Let me look at some of these here. How hard is it going to be to get these out right now? Here we go. See if we can get this to focus. Look at this. Part of Dingy. Or not part of Dingy. Dingy's the dog. Part of Chainsaw Man. Oh, so beautiful. Comes with a couple extra keycaps here. Oh, here we go. We got the Chainsaw Man head, which we'll be using for the escape key, of course. But this looks amazing. All I gotta do is get my switches, and I am ready to put this together. So stay tuned for part 2. See if I can put this all back together the way I had it, or the way it came. But yeah, this thing is looking beautiful. It is going to be amazing. Man, I am excited to build this keyboard. Look at this. Look at this. This is a beautiful keycap set. I don't know if you can even see it has the hiragana on there, on the bottom in green. Oh, super exciting. I love that. I love it. Let's go. Stay tuned for part 2, people. If you're looking to check out this website, you can find the link in my TikTok bio. Just click on the beacon link. It'll take you to all my social media, and you'll find the link to Goblin Tech Key Caps, where you can design your own keycaps as well as pick pre-designed ones. They have so many choices. You guys gotta go check it out. These things are amazing. So excited. So excited.